Hey, look at Owen go. Can you blow it towards you, Isabel? Oh, you can't make your hair go, eh? I thought you could make your hair blow up.
I don't want my hair to blow up. That will be silly.
You're working pretty hard there, Owen. Okay.
My turn.
Isabel's turn. Or are you going to go together? Oh, you're going to work together, eh?
Go together.
Oh, you don't want to go together? Okay. Well, that's fine. Oh, he wants the air to go in his mouth.
Daddy, can you hold this?
Here we go. Okay, keep bumping. Keep bumping.
Too high.
Keep bumping. Go push down, Isabel. Push down. Woo!
I can't some air.
I'm expecting your cheeks to blow up there, Owen.
Leave it in there, okay?
Okay.
Let air in his nose. Let air in his nose.
That's just silly. Okay.